Okay na.
Yan na yan.
Pero sino
122 from Team American Vinyl, Mr. Nicolas Edmundo.
Next is the polka dot jersey.
The polka dot jersey assembles the best climber or best mountain climber as of today in the person of
Rider number 24.
from Team Smart.
We have Oscar Rendole.
Mr. Oscar Rendole. And to follow the polka dot jersey is the purple or ube jersey. We like our rider number 15 representing the best sprinter in the points classification race.
From 7-Eleven team.
Mr. Erickson Obosa from
Manawag, Pangasinan. Manawag.
Manawag, Pangasinan. Ano po yung shrine? Shrine of Our Lady of Manawag.
Of course, with the intercession of Our Lady of Manawag, to finish top 3 yesterday for the stage.
And in the overall jersey, in the overall competition, he is number 2, the same time as our leader. And yesterday's winner, wear the green jersey representing the stage winner of yesterday, rider number 65.
Okay, Mr. Bursiedi Gulakur Mirsamad of
Azad University team from Iran,
Okay.
rider number 65.
Next is the yellow jersey.
The most coveted, most important, most valuable jersey in the entire cycling world right now. Yan po ang nagsisignify ng overall leader of the race.
And the yellow jersey shall be donned by rider number 64.
From Iran, Azad University team, Mr. Rahim Emami. Ayan po ang 5 nangungunang mga jerseys ng ating Tour de Filipinas 2011. led by the yellow jersey or race leader, Mr. Rahim Emami of Azad University team.
Followed by our purple jersey number 15 from Manawag, Pangasinan, of 7-Eleven team, Erickson Obosa.
And the polka dots jersey or best climber, Mr. Oscar Endole from Team Smart, number 24.
And our white jersey is Nicolas Edmundo of the American Vinyl team.
And yesterday, our stage winner, Mr. Puseyedi Golapur Misamat from Azad University team, rider number 65. Okay, again, congratulations, gentlemen. And for the other gentlemen behind, now you know who your targets are. I have an announcement from...
Okay, thank you. Okay! Sila po. Usa, third group ha, coming. Usa, putol na, putol. O, putol. Third group. Sila po. Fourth group coming.
Laglag ang mga Pinoy.
Laglag ang puta. Sa ito, usa no? Sa kuyog, 04.
or the champion of La Tour de Pilipinas 2011 to finally wear, without a doubt, the yellow jersey symbolizing the winner of La Tour de Pilipinas 2011. Again, it's Mr. Rahim Emami with a total time of 12 hours, 15 minutes and 34 seconds since Rojas Boulevard. No change needed, and final photo for everybody with Alberto and Mrs. Lina, Chairman of Lina Group of Companies, Mr. Patrick Gregorio of Smart, Mayor Bubble Calentino, President of Kill Cycling, Mr. Boyle Soriano, Marketing Services Manager of NIA, Councilor Elmer Tatuin of Baguio, Mr. Rosie Lamat, Minister of Terengganu, Malaysia, Chairman of Provincial Cycling Team, joined by the managers and team staff of Team Azad University. Okay, and our race director, Modesto Donzo. Ito po ang final winners, but this afternoon at 6 p.m., early evening at 6 p.m., we'd like to call on everybody to join the full awarding ceremonies wherein we will be presenting the polka dot jersey, the best young rider, the points winner, and all the other jerseys and all the other top 10, top 20 winners and best team here, Burnham Park Soccer Field.
Alam niyo na maraming tirador dito. Yes, boss. Akin na, uwi ko na yung bike. Oh, tirayan natin. Huli kasi tayo. Thank you very much. You're welcome.